Alright, now we are at a sports complex near Bettendorf, and here you have four Bryan air conditioners. This one right here is running. Compressor. That has a Gen-Tech fan motor. 2022. Cold, sweaty. Oh, it's blue line is a little warm. Here's this Bryan. That's the Bryan. Here's the only one running. It's got an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor and a Gen-Tech fan motor. 2022. There we got two more. Here's this one. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor, Emerson Copeland scroll, also from 2022, Gen-Tech fan motor. This is another 2022 Gen-Tech fan motor and Emerson Copeland scroll. They're all Bryans. The logos on them. Iowa AC Productions. I'm in Iowa, so good for you. There's a leaf on it. But yeah, I'm gonna go take a picture of these quad zone Bryans. Hold on, I might get a better view from here. There we go. Wait, there, better view. Alright, now let's go to more units. And I also forgot to mention, we got a bunch of these Carrier Weathermaker package units. Wait, those are split systems. Take a picture of those. So yeah, let's go on to more units. Alright, over here I found this Carrier unit. It's got a broad ocean fan motor. It's got a Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. It's on the disconnect box. It's a 2017, might be a 2-ton. It's not been running. Yeah, the wind noise. But yeah, let's picture that. Anyways, so on here you have a bunch of ductless units at our hotel as well. And yes, this is still on the one video. But yeah, here are these two. It's a PAC-I DC inverter. I don't know what year it's from. We got two Mitsubishi Electrics. They're both running. This one right here is a very slow fan. It does make some noise. I don't know what year it's from. This one right here is a powerful fan. So this sounds also, this one is running. I don't know where it's from. Yeah, that one sounds very rattly. Here you got another PAC-I DC inverter. It's a Sanyo. The pack IDC inverters, they're all Sanyos. I don't know where it's from. Got two more right here. This one is running. This one sounds super quiet. It just shut off. So this one, this bottom half fan is short spin down, and the top fan is the longer spin down. There's the data. We got one more right here. One more Sanyo pack IDC inverter. All these ductless units, by the way, they're equipped with R410A. So they're gonna remain for a long time. Is that? Get a picture of all them. So yeah, let's go on to more units. And here we are at the bank, and we found some Bryant units, Bryant Base Series units. Here's this one. Logo on this one has to be fixed. It's got a GE commercial fan motor. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. It's a 2009. Might be a 2-ton. They have R22 refrigerant. There's this one. And yes, these are my favorite Bryant units, even though they have R22. This one has not been running. And here's a bigger one right here. It's got a GE commercial fan motor. It's got a very rusted Copeland scroll compressor. The motor is also really rusty as well. It's also from 2009. This one I think is a 4-ton. I'm gonna take a picture of this one. Fix the Bryant logo. There we go. Alright, and I also saw, alright, now let's go on to the other. So I found I found one more Bryant unit on the other side. Here's this one. This one has a replacement fan motor. It's got a it's got a US fan motor. The old GE commercial fan motor must have died, so it got replaced with the US fan motor. This one is also from 2009. And that is a 2-ton as well. I'm also going to take a picture of this one. So yeah, thank you for watching. We're back in downtown Bettendorf right now. And here we have a bunch of units at this building right here. We're gonna start here with this Bryant Legacy line. Something tingled on the unit. It's that. It's the Bryant logo. It's got a broad ocean fan motor. I think the old that's another motor replacement. It's like the 2009 Bryant the Bacon filmed earlier. But the old Gentech fan motor died, so it got replaced with a new broad ocean fan motor. Still has the original Copeland scroll compressor. It is from 2011. I think it might be a 2.5. Might be a 4-ton R410A refrigerant. It's not been running. And here is a Lennox Value Series unit. got an interlink fan motor. It's also got a, that's got an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. It's 2013. I think it might be the compressor replacement. But yeah, it's a 2013. Might be a 4-ton. You can take a picture of those two. Alright, let's go to the other units back here. Alright. Now over here we have another Bryant. This is a smaller Bryant and an ICP unit. So here's this Bryant. See, it's got a Gentech fan motor. It's got a regular Copeland, the original Copeland scroll compressor. It is from 2010. That's probably a 3-ton or 410A refrigerant. Over here, we got an ICP in it, similar to the one in my neighborhood. Yeah, it's got a Gentech fan. Yeah, this ICP is similar to the one in my neighborhood, except it's got different blades on it. It's a Gentech fan motor. It's also got a Copeland scroll compressor. R410A refrigerant as well. That's also a 2010, also a 3-ton. We got a 2010 Bryant and a 2010 ICP in it. I bet according to Google Street View, these might be used units. I bet the Bryant was installed in 2013, and the ICP I think was installed in 2014. But they're both used units. Here's a good picture of them. All right, and over there at the building back there is a Bryant Preferred Series. And let's take a look, and let's go to the Preferred Series. And guys, I scouted these units out on Google Earth. All right, here we got a Bryant Preferred Series air conditioner, also like the one in my neighborhood. Yeah, here it is. It's got the helicopter blades. It's got a Gentech fan motor, and it's got a regular Copeland scroll compressor with a sound blanket. R410A refrigerant. This one is from 2008. That one might be a 3-ton probably. Yeah, I don't know the tons, but that might be a 3-ton. Bryant Preferred, 2008 Bryant Preferred. And yeah, take a picture of that. Anyways, let's go on to more units back there. Alright, so now here we are at the alleyway. I found a bunch of air conditioners. Here we have this Pioneer ductless unit. Another year on this one. Here is a York LX right here. It's got a Gentech fan motor. It's got a LG scroll compressor. It's 2020. Might be a 3-ton. Over here, we have a Bosch, and I haven't seen this one in person. And 4 Comfort Air inverters. Sound of a truck right here. There's Comfort Air inverters. I don't know the years on all them. The 2 front ones, they're running. This one's got a fast fan, this one's got a slow fan. But yeah. Here's this Bosch inverter. Logo's starting to fade out already. It's a new one. It's got a resin pack brushless variable speed DC motor. And yes, it's a heat pump. You can definitely see the reversing valve in it. It's a heat pump. And it's also standing on its legs too. This is actually a heat pump. It's got a variable speed compressor. And I don't know what year this one's from. Over here we got a Bryant and a Rheem unit. When I start here at this Rheem, there's some windows here, so I'm gonna make this quick on the Rheem. They have this tape right here on ream. They have bricks on it to stop the noise. Yeah, here's this ream. It's got a Gentech fan motor, an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. This one is a 2018. See behind that wall there. 2018, might be a 4-ton. And over here, we have a Bryant Legacy line. That definitely looks exactly like my Allies 2010 Bryant unit. But yeah, it's got a GE commercial fan motor. Shot on the compressor. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. See, it looks a lot like my Allies Bryant unit. It's got our 410A refrigerant. This one's from 2010 as well. This is another 2010 Bryant. It's manufactured January 2010. This unit looks a lot like my Allies unit. This is yup. That's my Allies 2010. That's my Allies 2010 Bryant's twin, faraway cousin. This Bryant is definitely the cousin of my Allies 2010 Bryant. They probably cloned. But yeah. Except this one's got a filter dryer. My Allies Bryant does not even have a filter dryer. But yeah. Wait. Gotta take a picture of this York and the Pioneer. Take a picture of these 4 comfort air inverters and the Bosch inverter heat pump. Then this ream with the warning tape. And then this Bryant, the faraway cousin of my Allies Bryant. Alright, now there's a unit back there. It's gonna be a little bit of a walk to it, so I might stop the video for the walking part and just head on over to the carrier back there. And yes, those units are scouted on Google Earth. So let's see one more. All right, over here at this shop right here, we have a carrier comfort right here. This unit I also scouted out on Google Street View. It's got a faded carrier logo. It's got a GE commercial fan motor. It's also got a regular Copeland scroll compressor down there. This one's got the helicopter blades, just like the 2008 Bryant I filmed. But this one, wait, this one's also a 2010. Nice. Another 2010 unit. This one's March of 2010. I thought this unit was a 2009, but this is actually a 2010. But yes, this is the disconnect box. This disconnect box right here. There used to be a unit there, but now it's gone. This is the only unit remaining. But hopefully they're gonna keep it for a long time because it has R410A refrigerant. And this is the disconnect box for it. Yeah, that's the old disconnect. That's the disconnect box for the unit that used to be there. Yeah, I'm also gonna take a picture of this 2010 carrier. So yeah. Oh, one more thing I got to mention. There's 2 more Goodman units over there. And then over here at the Rogers Industrial Building, there's a newer carrier comfort. I'm not gonna go up close to these units because it's an apartment complex, but here are those ones. Lennox's, Goodman's, Duquesne's, and some ICPs. But here's the last unit I'm gonna show you. It's a carrier comfort. This is a newer one. It's a carrier logo. It's right behind that sign. This one's got a Broadishan fan motor. It's got a, wait, this one's a newer carrier. This one's a carrier comfort that was made last year, so it's got a new Emerson scroll compressor. It was made, yep, it's 2024. That might be that's a 4-ton. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Over and out.